Today I will teach you a tragedy, Macbeth, written by William Shakespeare. You are already acquainted with the characteristics of a tragedy. You are already acquainted with the characteristics of a tragedy. A tragedy ends with destruction, ruin, or even death. The protagonist of a tragedy mostly belongs to a higher class or a royal class. The protagonist of a tragedy mostly belongs to a higher class or a royal class. অর্থাৎ নায়ক সাধারণত একটু আপার কাস্টে অথবা রাজ পরিবারের হবে, এই ধরনেরই চরিত্র হয়। ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে? Now let us start reading this text. When Duncan was the king of Scotland, Duncan was the king of Scotland. There lived a brave general who was looked up to the high esteem throughout Scotland for his great valor and skill in wars. Macbeth was held in high esteem for his valor and skill in wars throughout the Scotland. Throughout the Scotland, Macbeth was held in high esteem for his skill and bravery in war. What is bravery and skill in war? He was also a close relative of the old king. Macbeth had a relation with the old king Duncan. Macbeth had relation with the old king Duncan. He was Macbeth, the thane of Glamis. Thane, the persons. Thane is a title. Thane is generally given as a title to the person who gets lands from the king. Who gets lands from the king. রাজার কাছ থেকে জমি জায়গা পেয়ে যারা রাজত্ব করে তাদের থেন উপাধি দেওয়া হয়। তাহলে ম্যাকবেথ was the thane of Glamis. Of late, he defeated a rebel army assisted by the troops of Norway in great numbers. Of late, recently, he defeated a rebel army with the assistance of Norway. Recently, he defeated a rebel who was assisted by the Norway army. Recently, he defeated a rebel who was assisted by Norway troops. Here is it. অতি শীঘ্র তিনি একজন বিদ্রোহীকে দাঁড়িয়ে দেন বা দমন করেন যারা নরওয়ে সৈনিকদের দ্বারা he emerged as Valor, Minion, and Bellonia's bridegroom. He emerged, he was regarded, he came to be known, he became famous as a brave general of Scotland. His valor and courage demanded praise from all and sundry. His courage was praised by all throughout the country. His courage was praised. His skill in war was praised by the people throughout the kingdom. The two Scottish generals, Macbeth and Banquo, were returning from the great battle. After defeating the rebels, Macbeth and Banquo, the two great generals, were returning. There was thunder and lightning. It was thundering and lightning. On the way, they were stopped by the strange appearance of three figures that looked like women. On the way, they were stopped by three witches. On the way, they were stopped by three witches. They had withered skin and wild dresses, made them look like unearthly creatures. Their skin was withered, and they wore wild dresses, and they looked to be some unearthly creatures. They were dancing and singing. They were dancing and singing. What was that song? Fear is foul and foul is fear. Hover through the fog and fill the air. You see, they were singing a mysterious song that was full of contradiction. They were singing a mysterious song that was full of contradiction. Fear is contradicted to foul, and foul is contradicted to fear. So, they were singing a song that was full of contradiction. As they saw two generals, the first to which saluted Macbeth with the title of Thane of Glamis. The first wit greeted Macbeth, saluted Macbeth as the Thane of Glamis. As the Thane of Glamis. The general was scarcely startled to find himself known by such creatures. Both Macbeth and Banquo were surprised to think how they could know Macbeth. Were surprised to think how it was possible for them to know Macbeth. তাদের পক্ষে কিভাবে সম্ভব যে ম্যাকবেথকে চেনা? The second witch addressed him as the thing of order. The second witch prophesied, the second witch made a prophecy that Macbeth would be the thing of Kodu. The second witch prophesied Macbeth to be the thing of Kodu. দ্বিতীয় আর কি ডাইনিরা তাকে কি বলে করলো না থেন অফ কোডো। সে কি প্রফেসি করছে, কি ভবিষ্যৎবাণী করছে না ম্যাকবেথকে কোডোরের থেন হিসেবে হয়েছে। To which he had no intention. And the third told him, you will be the king of Scotland thereafter. The third witches predicted that Macbeth would be the king of Scotland. The third witches predicted that Macbeth would be the king of Scotland. Such a prophetic greeting might well amaze him, for he knew that as long as the king's son survived, he could scarcely hope to succeed to the throne. But Macbeth was allowed to think, how would it be possible for him, as the two sons, as Duncan had two sons, and how he would throne, how he would be able to become the king of Scotland. In their present, it would not be possible for him to be the king of Scotland. তাদের উপস্থিত স্কটল্যান্ডের রাজা হওয়ার তার পক্ষে কোনো সম্ভাবনাই নেই, কারণ রাজার পুত্র থাকলে পরবর্তী স্টেজে তারাই রাজা হয়। ডানকানে তো দুটো ছেলে রয়েছে। By this time, Banquo was curious to know the reason why the witches had little to say about him, whereas they kindled hope in the heart of the dearest. Okay. Banquo, by the time, became very curious to know about তার নিজের সম্পর্কে জানার জন্য খুব আগ্রহী হয়ে পড়ল। Banquo became very curious. Banquo became very eager to know about him, eager to know the prophecy of the witches about him. But what happened by the time? Now the desire, the ambition in Macbeth was enlightened. The ambition to become a king in Macbeth was enlightened. So the witches turned towards Banquo and told him in somewhat riddling terms to be lesser than Macbeth and greater. Not so happy, but much happier. You see, the three unearthly creatures always use contradictory words. তারা সবসময় একটা বৈপরীত্যের শব্দ ব্যবহার করছে, যে শব্দগুলো একটা অপরের ঠিক বিপরীত। যেমন ধরো লেসার অ্যান্ড গ্রেটার, লেসার অ্যান্ড গ্রেটার। আবার বলছে হ্যাপি বাট মাচ হ্যাপিয়ার, নট হ্যাপি, নট সো হ্যাপি, বাট মাচ হ্যাপিয়ার। তার কন্ট্রাডিক্টরি ওয়ার্ডস ব্যবহার করতে হবে। হয়েছে? খুশি হবে না, অথচ বেশি খুশি হবে। কি বললো? They also prophesied that although Banquo would never reign as the king of Scotland, yet his successor would be the king. It was not possible for Macbeth to become the king of Scotland, but his successor would become the Banquo রাজা হবে না, কিন্তু তার পুত্র বা বংশধর সে রাজা হবে। He would be the father of, সে হবে রাজার পিতা। And by saying this, they vanished. But with the generous Jedi, the weird sisters would be witness. From their prophecy, they understood, they realized that the three persons must be the three witnesses. This is today's lesson.